Good morning, students. So, students, in our last class, I teached you about the differences between multiplication and division, right? So, multiplication means what? Putting equal groups together. And division, it means dividing into equal groups. Okay? So, today we will learn a new topic, that is division using tables. So we can also divide any number by using tables. But the question is what? How? Right? So let me give you one simple example. Okay? So suppose you are having 15 balls. Okay? So this one is the first ball, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay? Now if I tell you that you have to divide this 15 by 5. Okay? What I said? You have to divide this 15 by 5. So what will be your answer? So you will take 5 balls and keep it aside, right? Then again you will take 5 balls and you will keep it aside. So suppose these 5 balls you keep it together. This 3 and 2, 5 balls you keep it together, and these 5 balls you just keep it together. Okay, so total how many groups it forms? It forms 3 groups, right? This one is the first group where you put all these 5 balls. This one is the second group where you put all the 5 balls, and this one is the third group where you put the remaining 5 balls, right? So we can say this one as 3 5s are there in 15 because we got 3 groups, right? So 3 5s, that means 3 groups having 5 balls are there, in total 15, right? So the answer will be what? If I divide 15 by 5, so total how many groups it will form? 3, right? Okay students, so if I solve this one by using tables, okay, if I divide 15 by 5 by using tables, then how I can do it? Okay, so what I need to do, I have to see the multiplication table of 5. Okay, because this division, it means what? 15 is divided by 5. Okay, we have to divide this 15 in the group of 5. So total how many groups it will form, right? So I will use multiplication in order to solve this one. So just recall the multiplication table of 5. Okay, so we know that 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So we got this number 15. So 5 times 3, it forms what? 15, right? So if I divide this 15 by 5, I will get what? 3. Okay, so one more example I will give you so that it will be more clear about the application of tables, okay, in division. So suppose one more example I will give you. Suppose you need to divide 14 by 2. Okay, so you just count it, okay, you just count it, how many 2's are there in 14. You just recall 2 multiplication table where you will get 14. Okay, if you multiply 2 with a number, then you just tell me what will be the number when you multiply with that you get 14. It will be what? 7, right? 2 7's are 14. We can say that 7 2's are there in 14, right? So therefore we can say that 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Okay, so just remember, whatever the number will be there, we have to think about the multiplication table of the next number. So next number is what? 2. So we have to think of the multiplication table of 2 and we have to find out where we will get 14. Okay, what we should multiply with 2 to get 14. So the number that we will get, okay, that will be our answer. Okay, so if I tell you that suppose 16 is there and we have to divide 16 by 2, so this one is our number. We will find the multiplication table of 2. We will recall the multiplication table of 2 and we'll find out with which number, if we multiplied it with 2, we'll get 16. So just recall the multiplication table of 2. Can you tell me what will be the number? 2 multiplied with what number will get 16? 2 8's, right? So our answer will be what? 8. I hope that it is now very clear about the using of the tables while dividing any number. Okay, just recall the table and just look at the table to find how many 2's or 3's are there. Okay, whatever the number will be there, we'll recall that particular number table. Okay, so now let's see some questions that are given in your book, and I hope that you can do this one very easily. Okay students, now open page 130, see exercise 4 that is given. So see the first question, divide using the 2 times table. So we have to recall 2 table, okay, 2 times table in order to divide this following. Okay, so see the first one, 20 divided by 2. So 20 divided by 2. So we'll recall the table of 2 and we'll find out with what number, if we multiplied it with 2, we'll get 20. So just recall 2 table. With what number you will multiply by 2 and you will get 20? 10, right? So 2 10's are 20, so we'll write 10 here. Okay, one more. See the B part, see the 2 table, okay, multiplication table. Okay, recall 2 multiplication table and just recall where you will get 12. If you multiply 2 with a number, with which number if you multiply you will get 12? Tell me. 2 6's, right? Okay, now see C part. Can you tell me what will be the answer? You have to find 16 in 2 table. So what should you multiply it with 2 to get 16? 8, right? This D you will do it by yourself, and this one you have to do in your classwork copy. Okay, so this entire question you have to do in your classwork copy. Okay, now see second part. So here you have to recall the multiplication table of 5. So see the first one, 20 divided by 5. So you just recall the multiplication table of 5 and you just find out where you will get 20. Five 4s are 20, right? So we'll write 4 here. Okay, now see B part. With what number if you multiplied it with 5 you get 30? 5 6 are 30, so we'll write 6 here. Okay, so just like this you have to do C and D by yourself, and these two also you have to do in your classwork copy. Remember, you have to do all this question, okay, in your classwork copy. Okay, okay, now see third part, third question. So divide using table. So we have to use the multiplication table in order to divide these numbers. So see the first one, 40 divided by 8. So you just recall the multiplication table of 8 and you just find out with what number if you multiplied it with 8 you will get 40. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, right? So we'll write here 5. Yes, now see B part. So which multiplication table you have to recall? 5, right? So you just recall the multiplication table of 5 and you just find out with whom you will multiply with 5 you will get 40. 5 8s are 40, right? Okay, now see C part. So recall the multiplication table of 5 where you will get 10. 5 2s are 10, right? So we'll write 2 here. Okay, now see D part. So recall the multiplication table of 6. So 6 multiplied with what number you will get 30? 6 5s are 30. So we'll write 5 here. Okay. Okay, so just like this you have to do the rest of it. Okay, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L in your classwork copy. I hope that you have understood about the using of these multiplication table. Okay, you have to find out the number in the multiplication table, okay, and then you can easily get the answer. Okay, so I hope that you have understood about the division, okay, using tables. Okay.